Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lola, and today I'm going to be doing one of my most requested video, which is how to make a video. So I'm going to be doing a simple version today on how to use Inshot. I'm just going to be doing how to make your pictures into a video, which most business owners ask me for, because so you can use Inshot to just put pictures together to maybe advertise your product or pass a message across. So I'm going to be doing a simple version of it today. Please kindly subscribe to this channel if you want to see more of this, and also if you want to see a more concise video that explains the things that Inshot can do. But for today, let's just get straight into the very simple video. So first thing you do is download this app. It's called Inshot. The second app on the screen is called Inshot, and that's what I use for all my videos. It's quite simple. It's simpler than other editing apps out there. It's simple to access and understand. So when you do that, you click on Inshot and it gives you three options: video, photo, collage. What we want to do today is a video, so you click on video. I already have some videos there, so because we are doing a new video, you click on new. So it brings out your gallery. It brings out your gallery of different pictures that you have. So what I like to do for this is that I like to create an album for my for the pictures I want to use. So once you create an album, you click right here on album, and then you scroll down, and then you click on whatever it is you want to do. I want to use interior, so my interior contains a few videos. Today I'm not going to be using videos. If you want, you can use video. In fact, I want to focus mostly on pictures. So these are pictures, and so you can add whatever pictures you want. I'm just going to click on a few pictures to make this really fast. These are not all items that I have. They are mostly items that I want to buy, so I'm just going to click on a few videos just to make this super fast. So when you are done, you click on this green button that says done, and then you wait for it to just upload the picture. So on the pictures, one thing about the picture is that it uploads about 5 seconds of each picture, which to me is a bit long. Let's play this. This is long. This is long. For someone to be staring at one picture for 5 seconds is long. So what I do is I click on each picture like this, and then I drag the end. I drag it. You see the time counter. I drag it to just 1 second. I think 1 second is enough for each picture. So I do that for all the pictures. I just drag it and leave it at 1 second. So I feel like this passes the message across. It's concise, it's short, it gets the message across. Look at this now. This is a picture of a toilet paper holder, and I put another picture in between. So if I want to put this picture back towards the first one so that it aligns, I just click down on it, then it brings out the pictures that I have, and then I drag it to the other side. So you can drag it forward or backward. So this is so I drag it back. So now I click on the other pictures I want to work with, and I continue the 1 minute thing that I was trying to do. So I said, sorry, 1 second. So then I do 1 second for each of the pictures so that it comes in fast, concise. You get the message, you get it. And if you want to delete anyone, you just click on it. Once it has this white outline, you click on delete, and that's how that goes. So you can do this for all of your videos. So I just click on whatever it is that you're selling. This is what I sell. I sell interior decor. I say that all the time on the channel. I sell interior decor, so I'm just using pictures of the interior decor that I sell. And so let's just use these few pictures that we have to create a video. So now that I already have 1 minute, I can play it and see that okay, this is fast enough. It's not too slow, it's fast enough. I like it. And then another thing is that my video format is currently on YouTube size. You can see how it is. It's currently on YouTube size, and if you want to post on Instagram, it won't be on Instagram size. So what I do is I click on canvas right here, and then I go to no frame, or I can do 1 by 1. That is the normal Instagram size, which is obviously the size that I have on my picture. Or you do 4 by 5, which I think is for reels. Oh no, sorry, 9 by 16 is for reels. This is for reels. This TikTok version is for reels. This 4 by 5 is for excuse me, sorry, it's for Instagram, TV, is for IGTV. The 1x1 is for the normal post. The 4x5 is for IGTV. The TikTok version is for Reels, and then so on and so forth. If you have specific sizes, then there are other sizes you can use here as well. I use 16:9 for my YouTube. You already see YouTube logo on it, and I use 4x5 for IGTV, and I use 1x1 for normal Instagram. So let's use 1x1 since we want to do Instagram size. So you click on the ticking sign. So when you can also go back to canvas and you can zoom if you want your pictures to look bolder, and you can do that for all your pictures. This says apply to all, so that means all my pictures will look bolder. And then if you don't want that, you can go back and make it and leave it back at where it's supposed to be, and then you do the same thing, apply to all. So then these are all this is what my video currently looks like when I play it. So now it has no sound, it has no text, it's not telling me anything aside from a bunch of pictures. So now let's correct that. So I use text, I click on text, and I put my business name. So when I put my business name for the text, I just click on text and then I write my business name, and then you can just drag across the screen to make it into whatever you want it to be, or you can click on these 3 lines and then you can make it smaller or you can make it bigger, and then you can change the text here. So let's say I want to use like this text, and then there's also this rainbow round wheel thing. You can click on opacity, so it makes my text lighter. This is like watermarking your video. It makes my opacity makes your text lighter, but it's still there. So I just make it large and then I make it lighter. I'm going to change the font right now because I don't really like this one. So I'm just going to change it to something, yes, like this, something light and funky. So if you put this right here with the light opacity, it covers over your video. Your video can be stolen, it's watermarked now. Then you can make it as thick or as faded as you want. You can make it bold where it's covering your photos, or you can just make it fade into the background, which is what I like to do. So then you can also click on so you just click on done, and then at the text itself, this white button right here that will circle right there, you can just click on it, and then you can click video end, which means it will go all through the whole video. That makes it easier. You can either click on clip end or video end. I do video end for the whole video. If you want it to be just for a clip, you can do it for just a clip. So let's do to video end, and when we are done with that text, let's do another text. So you click on text again, and then let's say all available in store now. So because I already clicked on opacity the other time, it's using the same settings I had before. So I'm just going to go back to the rainbow wheel, and then I'm going to click on opacity, and I'm going to make it 100 so you can see exactly what I want you to see, and I'm just going to place it right here. So I'm going to do the video end for this as well. So here you can do all available in store. Some people like to do their handle, so wherever they put it on you can see it. So I'm just going to put IG as the Lola effects NG. Then I'm going to make it small. I'm just going to drag it. This is way easier for me than using the other one. So you can just do this, and then you can change the font of that one so it's not all the same. So I'm just going to use this. It's bold, you can see what I'm talking about. And then I can also change this all available in store now. Yes, this is a bold statement. So this is nice. So you can also do the IG video end, and if you click the beginning, you can do video beginning as well. So the text will show in all of the video. So let's play this for a while, and you can see the text is on all the pictures from beginning to the end. So that makes it easy. So now to the last part. The last part is music. So you click on music. This comes in several different ways. If you want to talk over your video, you can click on record. So you can talk and say, oh, hello guys, I have new stuff for you and this and that. You can click on record. You can maneuver with it as you want. If you want effects, if you want somewhere a bell ringing and all of that, you can also click on these effects for applause and all of that. I don't really use this. And then if you want tracks, which is music, there are some tracks that come in with Inshot, a lot of tracks actually, which I really like. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using this 1. And if you want a part 2 where I'm going to show you how to import music from another from your phone, or extract music from video, I'm going to show you that as well. If you want a part 2, just comment below in the comment section so that I can do a part 2 for this video. But for now, let's just use the music that comes with the app. So right now there's a new thing on Inshot that allows you favorite your music, but now let's just pick a music. So let's go with this Ixen, and then you can listen to the music, or you can just pick a music. Let's just use this harmony. So when you use it, it's on the video now. So once you play, you have your full video. So I'm going to extract this video now, and you can see how it works. So if once you like the video, what I like to do with my music is that when I click on the music, I go to volume, and then I can do fade in for 1.5 or 1 second and fade out. It kind of gives you this tempo where your music starts slow and just moves up. So that's another way of making your music feel or sound nicer. So I think that's about it today for this video. I hope you understand. If you have any questions, kindly comment below. I'm going to be answering all questions, or you can contact me on my IG, Lola Lagos. I'm going to also be replying all questions as well. And also, like I said earlier, if you want a part 2 of this video that is more concise, telling you what all these functions on Inshot does, please comment below so that I can make a video like that as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now if you want to export, you just click on this export button right here, and then what I like to do is increase the resolution to 4K and 60 FPS. So it gives you an estimated size, and you save. While you're saving, you do well not to go to any other app or lock your screen, so that you can get your video all at once. If you go out of the app, it will stop your video and you have to start all over again. So I'm going to show you the end result of this video now. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Kindly subscribe to my channel and let me know what more videos you like to see. Thank you so much, guys. Till next time. Bye.